Hey everyone! Welcome back to Gadgetverse, where we bring you the best tools for creators, adventurers, and tech lovers. Today, we're diving into the GoPro HERO12 Black Creator Edition, the ultimate all-in-one bundle for content creators who demand professional performance in every shot. The HERO12 Black is GoPro's most refined action camera yet. It delivers 5.3K video at 60 FPS, stunning 27MP photos, and unmatched stabilization with HyperSmooth 6.0. Whether you're biking down a mountain trail or capturing a cinematic travel vlog, this camera keeps everything smooth, crisp, and breathtakingly clear. But what sets the Creator Edition apart isn't just the camera, it's the complete setup. First, there's the Volta Battery Grip, which acts as a power bank, tripod, and wireless remote. With up to 4 hours of 5.3K recording, it keeps you filming longer without worrying about battery life. Next up is the Media Mod, turning your GoPro into a full-fledged content studio. It includes a directional mic, 3.5mm mic input, HDMI out, and 2 cold shoe mounts, so whether you're vlogging, live streaming, or capturing interviews, your audio and accessory options are top tier. The Light Mod adds powerful illumination with 4 brightness levels and a built-in rechargeable battery. Perfect for low-light scenes, indoor recording, or adding a bit of flair to your nighttime adventures. Also included is the Enduro Battery, known for cold weather performance and longer life, plus a sleek carrying case to keep everything protected and organized. GoPro also stepped up its wireless audio support, timecode sync for multi-camera setups, and even improved Bluetooth connections for external mics like AirPods, making the HERO12 Black ideal for professional workflows. Whether you're a YouTuber, TikTok creator, action sports junkie, or someone who wants broadcast-level video in the palm of your hand, the GoPro HERO12 Black Creator Edition is one of the smartest investments you can make. Ready to take your content to the next level? Click the link below to grab yours, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. We're just getting started here at Gadgetverse.